Hello guys, welcome back. Guys, in this video, I'm gonna be talking about futures trading. Now, in case if you don't have any idea on what is futures trading is where you invest little amount, leverage and make maximum profits. Now, for example, on spot wallet, in case if you have 1000 rupees with you, then you can buy only 1000 rupees worth of cryptocurrencies, right? So if the market pumps 10%, then you will only make 100 rupees in profits. But in futures trading, if you have 1000 rupees with you, then you will have the option to open a 1 lakh rupee position trade. And in this condition, if the market pumps 10%, then that profit will be equal to 1000% gains. Now, in future trading, you can make profits by leveraging on both sides. Like if the market goes up, you can earn money, and even if the market comes down, also you can earn money. So, futures trading is the only way where you can make a lot of money in short time with a limited capital. But this definitely comes with a huge risk. If your trades goes wrong, then it will definitely pull you to the streets. So in this video, I'll explain everything about future trades from basic level. I'll tell you which graph to use, which indicators to use, which exchange to use. I'll tell you what are the mistakes which you should avoid, and I'll also show you my futures trading strategies. Guys, if you're new to this and even if you don't know any technical analysis or whatsoever, just follow this strategy and you'll make good amount of money every day. And watch this video without skipping, okay? I have one nice offer for you guys somewhere in the video. And guys, please do drop a like on this video because it motivates me in making more videos like this. Guys, if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing. Okay guys, now without any further ado, let's get straight into the video. Okay guys, first I'll teach you all the basic things which you should know about future trades. Second thing is I'll teach you the strategy and which indicators to use. Third one is I'll talk about offer. Guys, the exchange I'm using here is Bitget application. You can use whichever exchange you want. Personally, I use Bitget exchange for future trades and copy trades. Now, in case if you want to use Bitget and if you don't have an account, then I leave the links in the description of this video. So you can click on that link and create an account. And if you create an account using my links, then you'll receive an offer. I'll explain that offer at the end of this video. Okay, now come on to the asset section. Now at the top you'll have various options like overview, spot, futures, P2P, etc. So come on to the futures section. Now first I'll show you how to add funds or USDT to your futures wallet. Guys, in case if you don't know how to add or deposit funds onto your Bitget account, then don't worry. I've already made a detailed video on how to deposit funds. So I'll leave that video link in the description of this video. So you can check that out. Now once you deposit funds to Bitget exchange, that USDT will be under spot wallet. So you should transfer that to the futures wallet. Guys, always do transactions with the USDT because it's easy and simple to understand. Okay, now to transfer USDT from a spot wallet to futures wallet, come on to the overview section and click on transfer. Enter how much USDT you want to transfer and click on confirm transfer. Okay, now I'll just go back. Yes guys, here you can see that now I have like 100 USDT on my futures wallet. Now especially for future trades, BitGet has given a separate futures option at the bottom. So click on this. Okay, now you'll get an interface just like this. So let's understand the options one by one. Now at the left upper corner, you'll find a 3-line option. So if you click on that, you'll find multiple options. The first option is USDT margin, which means you buy, sell, trade, and the leverage will be in the form of USDT. And even the profit or loss will be in USDT. Another option is coin margin, which means that by using cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or XRP, you can buy or sell, and the profits which you make also will be in that particular cryptocurrency which you have chosen to trade. So my suggestion is go with USDT margin and carry out all the trades through USDT. Now the second step is to select the type of cryptocurrency on which you wanna execute trades. So to do that, again click on this option and under USDT margin, select whichever cryptocurrency you want. You can go with a popular crypto like Ethereum, Cardano, EDA. I'll just go with Bitcoin. Now the next important step is you should select the margin mode. So if you click on this, you will find two margin modes called cross and isolated. Now what is the difference between these two? So if you select the option called isolated, now assume that you have 100 USDT on your futures wallet and you're using only 30 USDT in futures trading. And if your trades go under loss, then only the 30 USDT will get liquidated and the remaining 70 USDT on your wallet will be untouched. Now, if you select the first option called cross, now again assume that you have 100 USDT on your futures wallet and you're using only 30 USDT in futures trading. So if your trades goes under loss, then to bear that loss, exchange will tap into that 70 USDT reserves which is left on your futures wallet. So if you open a trade under cross and if you randomly sleep for an hour and come back and see, your funds on futures wallet would have become zero. So until there's funds on your futures wallet, your position will be open and it will automatically close when the futures wallet becomes zero. So I'll go with isolated margin mode. Click on confirm. Now the next step is you should set your leverage. Here you have two options. Blue one is for long and the red one is for short. Now you can click on this blue one and set your leverage. Guys, my suggestion for you is if you wanna be safe, then go with 3x or within 5x leverage. Guys, it completely depends on how much risk you wanna bear. So if you ask me, try to stay within 10x. Now, what is this leverage? Now, for example, if you have 100 USDT and if you select the 10x leverage, then you can open a 1000 USDT trade position. So the more leverage you select, higher will be the risk and the profits also will be high. Now, the next step is to buy or sell. Now, in both conditions, like if the market goes up or if it comes down also, you can make money. Now, buy long is where you predict the market will go up. So you buy low and sell high. And similarly, if you think that the market will go down, then you can go with sell short. Now I have 100 USDT in my futures wallet, right? So if I select a complete 100 USDT with a 125x leverage, then I can open up to 0.6 BTC trade. So if you have 150 USDT in your futures wallet, then you can open up one full Bitcoin position with 125x leverage. Guys, I'm just showing all this to teach you guys on what is leverage, okay? Don't ever go with 125x leverage unless if you want to burn your money. Safe leverage is 3x to 5x. Maximum you can go is 10x. Now to start a trade, you can use this price. You can enter that here manually, or you can just click on this option and set your own price to execute the trades, or you can just click on this market option. So whenever you start a trade, automatically it will start with the market price. Now just drag this to select how much USDT you want to put into this trade. Now the next step is you can either go with long or short. I'll go with long. Guys, remember, just to teach you guys, I've opened a long trade. I have not checked the graph, I have not checked anything. Okay, now if you scroll down a little bit, you'll find the open position. So this is the unrealized P&L, which shows in how much profit or loss you are in. This is the BTC position amount, and this is the entry price of the trade, and this is the liquidation price. So at this price, your amount will get liquidated. Now here you have an option called TP bar SL, which stands for take profit and stop loss. So click on this. So now here you can set the take profit price. So once the market price touches this price, your trade will close with profit. Now down below you'll find a stop loss. So you can set your stop loss here. So if your trade is running in loss and if the market still goes much lower, if you set your stop loss, then your losses can be cut short. So it's very important to set a stop loss. Okay, now once you have set everything, click on confirm. Now, for some reason, if you want to immediately close the trade, then you can simply click on this close option. Enter how much percentage you want to close and click on confirm. Okay, now the next thing I'm gonna talk about is graph. Guys, by using few indicators, I'll teach you when to take long or short trades, and I'll also tell you when to exit the trades. Now, if you don't know where to find this graph, then just go to Google and search for tradingview.com. And once you select a crypto on which you want to trade, then you will get a graph interface just like this. The first thing you should do here is you should select the time frame. I'm gonna choose 15 minutes. You can go with whatever you want. Now the next step is click on this indicators option, and in the search box type EMA. So here click on the first option called moving average exponential. Again click on this. Now here you can see that I've got two indicators. Now go up to the first one and click on the settings option. In the length box type 7 and come on to the style option and select the color green. Click on OK. Now again I'll go to the second EMA indicator, click on the settings option, enter the number 30, come on to the style option, select the color red and click on OK. Now here you can see that there's two lines, green color and red color. So when this green line touches and crosses the red line, you should open a long position. Here, the green line is vertically cutting the red line, which is indicating that Bitcoin is in bullish mode. So, if you had opened a long trade here, then you would have made good profits. And guys, remember that this graph is just for short term. Like you should book profits and leave as soon as possible. Don't keep the trade open for hours together. Finish it within 30 to 40 minutes. Okay, now where exactly you should open a short trade? When the green line bows down, touches and goes below the red line, then open a short trade. So if you had opened a short trade here, then you would have made good profits. Now here you can see that the green line crossed the red line and is projecting upwards. So at this point, you should open a long trade. Now as soon as you're in profits, close the trade and book your profits, okay? In case if you wait for long term to make maximum profits, then you'll end up losing everything. Now I'll show you with one more example. So here you can see that the green line is going above the red line. So if you had opened a long position here, then all this is profit, and once it peaks out, exit the trade. Guys, for this strategy, you can use 3x leverage. And in some situations like this, you can also try with 5x leverage. That's it. And not more than that. And guys, this graph is just 75% to 85% accurate. And out of 10 trades, 2 or 3 can go wrong, okay? Guys, I tried to explain all this as simple as possible. In case if you want me to make a detailed graph reading video just for future trades, then let me know that in the comment section down below. Okay, now let's talk about the offer. Guys, BitGet has organized an amazing campaign just for Technovas family. So to participate, all you have to do is just click the link which is in the description of this video and create an account on BitGet. So this is for new users, okay? And after this, you should complete your KYC process. This campaign started on 3rd October and will end on 13th October 2022. Now the first offer is a giveaway of a pop grab for lucky users. You can claim a dollar lucky draw USDT pocket. So for this, maximum number of people who can register is 100 people, and the lucky pop grab amount ranges from $0.1 to $199. So you can receive any amount as gift. Now the next offer is all those new people who create an account, and if they deposit 100 USDT and if they achieve 100 USDT trading volume, then those people will get a 5 USDT trading bonus. The next offer is if you achieve 10,000 USDT trading volume, then you will be rewarded with 10 USDT trading bonus. Next is trading competition. If the entire team trading volume reaches 10 million, then participants will be ranked by their respective total futures trading volume. Champion will receive 400 USDT, first runner-up will receive 200 USDT, and a second runner-up will receive 100 USDT. Now I'll just go through the terms and conditions. Your KYC should be verified. Multiple accounts created on same IP address and in same name is not valid. Claim the bonus within 7 days once after you get the notification. After 7 days, it will expire. The trading bonus which you may get can be used both for futures and copy trades. Price distribution is a first come, first serve basis. New users should not withdraw the funds before the campaign period. Giveaway pop grab is limited to first 100 new registered users. Guys, in case if you are not following me on my Telegram channel, then you're missing out so many things. So make sure you follow me there. My Telegram channel link will be in the description of this video. Okay, now if you have any doubts, then drop that in the comment section down below. And guys, please to drop a like on this video. If you're new, consider subscribing. Now in case if you're an subscriber, I'll meet you on the next video. Until then, peace.